Hi mayam, aigi channel bu jengbireba mayam bu amukasu hana taramna oksari ado mayam hojik kuki lendane ko haidi aikoigi maitegi sing chau hubedane kuki na yamna harau khiba ko yamna nokhe dana harau khiba ko ado mayam hoji moigi sumatamda lakle ba ko ado mayam jengmina se ado kuki singna aji warba matamda kanju hana mayam lawe ba ko ado mayam jengmina si asini nangna tawbana nangna FaNgi habda mayam ko migi phattaba migi awaba uraga noksari ba mahak to ado magi sumatamda soidana lakane ba ko moina ekhoi maitena warba matamda moina nokhiba khehiba singda katamdana moina bom kega thadaraga kege blast oilaga ko aduga akhoina wabado moina haraujabado ado moigi sumatamdo lakani me ke ima event punamako manipuri ima punamaksu thongna phana leibiyo aduda kuki moigine ko engonda su comment yamna tawre ko aina sumaina mogi maramda khara ngangba duga ko ai bu hinchabi mali kaina hairaponi ato kesu kai de hinchabi malasu ai thodi maite maseni support udana mogi support gadra natra me ado mayam jilmina se bu ko hoji moina wari base aidi kesu moina khoida haidi nongna rakhibado haibadi harau khibado ikona ising chawraga ko adugi moisu hoji hanjalle ba ko adu jilmina se na mayam da ucharakpani mayam jilmina se
Guys, pray for us. Namuvam lamlen hi. Kesper gari kang ahi. Reinforcement kang ahi. Guys, pray for us. Hey, chum momong guys. Tauna bong ngai chat hi guys. Adang gel po ti tauna bon gel do ovo.
With due respect to the Constitution of India, I, on behalf of the people of Tuilang area, am standing here with Captain Anurod to हमारा मांग जो है हम उस मांग पर हमने मेमोरेंडम जो दिया है तो मैं ये स्टोरी को थोड़ा सा दोहराना चाहता हूँ। स्टेट फोर्सेस हो सबने अपना अपना भूमिका निभाया है, लेकिन उससे सबसे आगे है हमारा असम राइफल्स, क्योंकि ये असम राइफल्स जो है अभी तक हमने मेमोरेंडम में भी मेंशन किया है कि असम राइफल ने हमारे लिए सेव सो मेनी लाइव्स ऑफ द कुकीजो पीपल एंड देन help the Kukizo to retain their villages in the hills। तो इसी प्रकार से हमने आज ये मेमोरेंडम सबमिट किया है। तो मैं इस स्टोरी को फिर दोहराना चाहता हूँ। जब से मणिपुर का वो जो क्राइसिस शुरू हुआ है उस टाइम ऑन द विजिट ऑफ द ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री अमित शाह जी, जब वो आए थे मणिपुर में तो उसने हमको आश्वासन दिया था कि पीस 15 डेज में हम पीस ले आएंगे। तो उसके बाद जब पीस नहीं आया तो उन्हें मणिपुर को दो भाग में डिवाइड किया, एक हिल और एक वैली। हिल को वो अपने खुद होम मिनिस्ट्री ने देखभाल के लिए उसने रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लिया और वैली को सीएम बीरेन को उसने सौंपा दिया। तो उसी से वहां से हमने बफर जोन क्रिएट किया है। तो देयर आर सो मेनी इंस्टेंसेस दैट इट इज अ नॉन फैक्ट दैट द स्टेट स्पॉन्सर forces, especially the Arambai Tangols and the Meitei Lupuns, have been very actively with all the looted more than 5,000 guns from the state armory as well as the ammunitions have continuously been attacking the Kukizo villages. So many villages have been uprooted, so many churches have been burned, and so many lives have been lost. And now we are totally cut off from the valley, the Imphal Valley. So we have no connection whatsoever whatsoever, even in politics, even our 10 MLAs, they have not joined the recently concluded assembly session in Manipur. So this proves that not only that, even the doctors are not posted anymore. The valley doctors are not posted in the hills. The valley teachers are no more here. That's why we are totally, this is an instant that we are totally separated. And now, peace may be in social media. There may be peace. It may sound like that there is peace in social media, but that is not true. The attack is continuing, and the government has not recovered the arms which have been looted, and then there is no peace. There is no connection has not been breached between the hills and the valley. So therefore, we can conclude that there is no peace in Manipur. There is no peace in Manipur. And now, the sinister design lately which has come to remove the Assam rifle is also a plan. It's a plan. We believe it's a plan by the state government to continue their active attack on to ethnic cleanse the Kuki community in the hills. So therefore, we are here. More than 1,000 women volunteers from the area were gathered here with our Kuki chief, Taka chief, Pudhunkahan, and then secretary Lalkulen, and then Kuki vice president, Kuki Inti, general secretary, KSO, Kuki Women Union. We have come to appeal to you, sir. Please give our memorandum to our Kartik sir, and